So this is the wording section. It's fairly important. It's split into three simple blocks. You've got the summary. This is the one-liner that people will see in the search results. So you've got to make it to the point and as attractive to the people as possible. This will then lead them on to potentially booking your property. The short overview is describing your property's location, so the surroundings, whether it's in the village, near the village, or near a particular town, or the beach, or the sea, anything like that. Put that in the short overview, and then the main description is obviously describing your property at length um, with as much information as you can. This is quite handy for you just to just let rip and let people know what your property is all about. The additional info or house rules, this is good if you've got any particular rules that you want your guests to abide by. If you put them here, then upon booking, the guests will have agreed to these rules. So it's important that you get this right. And it could be anything else, any further information, like if you have a pound coin meter for the electric. Pop that information in here. If you require a security deposit, you check this box. If you don't, you leave it blank. Directions, this part here only gets sent to the booker once they've booked and paid. So don't worry, this information will remain private unless a booking is confirmed. And then the arrival instructions and underneath, if there's any particular instructions they need to know upon arrival, for example, if they need to drive to the reception and ask for the key, put the information here, maybe a telephone number, and that's that. So at this point you can save and exit or press continue.